Bakit nga ba importanteng malaman kung paano mag-manage ng money? Sabi nila, money comes and goes. Pero did you know na merong ways para maging more in control sa cash flow? Hindi lang sa normal days, pero pati na rin sa biglaang gastos or emergencies? Tara, let's talk about it. Now that we know financial systems in the Philippines, let's learn about ways to manage our finances. Narinig mo na ba ang salitang risk? Importanteng matutunan natin ito because when making financial decisions, there is always a risk involved. Risk ang tawag sa mga panganib na maaaring mangyari at kailangan paghandaan. May 4 na paraan para i-manage ito. Una, pag-iwas o risk avoidance. This means staying away from risks altogether or stopping an activity that exposes you to risk. For example, avoiding outdoor activities during extreme heat para hindi ma-heat stroke. Pangalawa, pagbawas o risk reduction. This means bawasan ang epekto ng isang posibleng panganib. For example, wearing a seatbelt helps reduce the severity of injury in case maaksidente ka sa sasakyan. Hindi nito totally maiiwasan ang injury, pero malaking tulong ito para hindi grabe ang tama. Pangatlo, pagpapanatili o risk retention. This happens when you recognize a risk but choose to handle it yourself. If it happens, instead of transferring it to someone else. Halimbawa, kapag nasunog ang isang bahay, kasama rito ang lahat ng gamit at ari-arian. Bukod sa emotional na epekto, malaki rin ang gastos para makapagsimula muli. Kung walang home o fire insurance, kailangang sagutin ng may-ari ang lahat ng gastusin mula sa sariling bulsa. Pang-4, paglilipat o risk transfer. This means transferring the risk to an entity, like to an insurance company. For example, a homeowner purchases fire insurance to transfer the financial risk of damage from hazards like accidental fire to the insurance company. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi na siya ang magbabayad ng lahat kung may mangyaring sunog. These risk handling methods, avoidance, reduction, retention, or transfer, are ways to help you make smarter financial decisions. By understanding and integrating the Philippine financial system with practical risk management, you can take control of your finances with confidence. Insure to be sure.